FOE as a front office cashier. After completing the module, you will be able to duties and responsibilities as a front office cashier. Understanding the accounting procedure of a front office department. FOE. Duties and responsibilities as a front office cashier. Now, let us discuss the key responsibilities of an FOE working as a front office cashier. A front office cashier deals with completing guest check-ins and check-out procedures, clarifying questions or queries of customers, following up on all deposit dues, handling paid outs and settling guest accounts, making discount adjustments, managing safe deposit boxes.
Hello.
Hi, what a pleasant surprise.
I was just passing by, so I just thought of meeting you.
Very nice, and it's been a long time since we met.
You're looking too much occupied.
Yes, the front office cashier has so many responsibilities to meet.
Okay, like what is your roles and responsibilities apart from handling the check-in check-out procedures?
Perform cashiering activities. To understand the duties and responsibilities of an FOE working as a front office cashier, here we will see a movie.
Well, you must be very packed up today. I should leave now. Let's meet some other day for lunch.
I think that's a great idea. Let's meet some other day.
Sure, have a great day. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Well, there are many other things to look after, right from maintaining records of guests and receiving payments from guest accounts at checkout to operating front office posting software and following billing instructions correctly. We are required to handle every aspect of accounting with absolute precision. We even coordinate with the credit card division, handle all cash transactions taking place at the front desk, check cashing and foreign currency exchange. In fact, we are also required to follow up on all dues and even make discount adjustments. Of course, we even maintain adequate supplies of stationeries for cashiers, help in the distribution of month-end reports, give job training to new staff, post charges to guest accounts, settle guest accounts, transfer guest balances to other accounts as required, and manage safe deposit boxes.
Well, you must be very packed up today. I should leave now. Let's meet some other day for lunch.
I think that's a great idea. Let's meet some other day.
Sure, have a great day. Bye.
Bye-bye.